This will help you overcome negative thoughts in your mind. Philippians 4 verse 8. Whatever things are true, honest, just, pure, lovely, and of good report, think on these things. 2 Corinthians 10 verse 5. Casting down imaginations, bringing every thought into captivity to the obedience of Christ. Isaiah 26 verse 3. You will keep him in perfect peace, whose mind is stayed on you. Psalm 34 verse 4. I sought the Lord, and he heard me, and delivered me from all my fears. Romans 12 verse 2. Be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Joshua 1 verse 9. Be strong and of good courage. Do not be afraid, for the Lord your God is with you. Psalm 55 verse 22. Cast your burden upon the Lord, and he shall sustain you. John 14 verse 27. Let not your heart be troubled, neither let it be afraid. 1 Peter 5 verse 7. Casting all your care upon him, for he cares for you. Psalm 94 verse 19. In the multitude of my thoughts within me, your comforts delight my soul.